everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved my no foundation makeup look. This routine is very quick and easy, so without further ado, let's jump straight into this tutorial. So starting off, I'm priming my skin using the E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer, and I'm applying this to my cheeks, nose, and forehead to fill in the pores in those areas. I'm only applying it to those areas because those are the main areas where I will be applying makeup for this look. I really like this primer because it gives a smooth finish to your makeup, and it's also not drying like some pore filling primers typically are, so that's a plus. Now I'm going in with the MAC Studio Fix Concealer Palette, and I'm taking the shade NC50 to conceal some of the dark marks on my face. I first apply the concealer with my finger, and then I like to go in with a Real Techniques brush to blend it in. For this look, when I'm concealing dark marks, I like to use a concealer that is closest to my skin tone so that it can blend in, since I won't be applying foundation. Since I want this routine to be quick and easy, I'm going to use the NYX Thick It Stick It Brow Mascara, and I'm using the color Black to coat my eyebrows. I recently started using this product and I really like it. I like that it has hair-like fibers to give your brows a thicker look while also taming them. It comes in a few different shades, so you have options depending on the color that you want. Next, I'm filling in my brows with the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Pen in the color Espresso. And like I said before, I'm using this product to fill in the sparse areas in my brows so that I can get a fuller look. Here, I'm brushing my brows out with a spoolie to blend those products in so they don't look so harsh. Onto concealer, I'm using the E.L.F. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Chestnut. And I'm applying this under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and around my nose. Again, since I'm going for a natural look and won't be applying foundation, I'm using a shade close to my skin tone. I'm blending out my concealer with the E.L.F. Camo Concealer Sponge, and I really like this sponge. Like, it's so good. It's so soft and it blends your concealer out flawlessly. Now, I do want to mention that I did hear that E.L.F. changed the material of the sponge and the quality isn't the same as it was before. I've had this one for a while, so I'm not sure, but do take note that if you purchase one now, it might not be the same. To bronze, I'm using the black Opal foundation stick in the shade Carob, and I'm applying this to the areas of my face that I want to look more bronzy and sun-kissed. So mainly my cheeks, but I'm also going to apply this to my forehead, jawline, and the sides of my nose to give it a more uniform look. As always, I like to use another tool to evenly blend all those products into each other. In this case, I'm using my makeup sponge. Okay, so for this look, I thought, an orange blush would look really nice, right? But then I realized I don't own an orange blush. So I decided to improvise and use my color corrector. So as you can see here, I'm applying the E.L.F. Camo color corrector in the shade orange, obviously, and I'm applying this to my cheeks as I would any other blush. I've learned throughout the years of buying makeup that you really don't have to purchase a million products and tools to create a good makeup look. You definitely can use a lot of these products for multiple purposes, so keep that in mind when you're out there spending your coin. So right here, I'm adding a bit more concealer to my under eye because I don't want my bronzer and blush to take over that area. So I'm just adding a little bit more concealer and blending it out. To set my concealer, I'm using the One Size translucent setting powder, and I'm taking this little makeup puff that I got from Amazon to apply the powder. So what I like to do is I like to dip my puff into my powder. I then like to pat some of that powder off on the back of my hand and then apply an even layer underneath my eyes. This just gives the nicest airbrush finish to your under eye. I don't know what took me so long to try this powder out, but in my opinion, this is the best loose setting powder that's on the market right now. Like, the best. I love it. I wanted to do something to my eyes to give it a little pop, so I'm taking the NYX eyebrow pencil in dark brown and lining my waterline like so. Then I take the Morphe Glamabronze bronzer in the shade Leader, and with an eyeshadow brush, I'm applying it to my eyelids to give them a flush of color. Now on to mascara. I like to use two different mascaras to give my lashes the look that I'm going for. First, I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in Blackest Black. If you can tell by the wand, this mascara is good for both separating and lengthening your lashes. And what I like to do is I like to hold a mirror down below my chin, and while looking down, I like to apply my mascara that way. This avoids making a mess and getting it on my eyelids. Also, when applying mascara to my bottom lashes, I like to hold the wand vertically and sweeping the wand across like so. I'm also using the Fenty Hella Thick Volumizing Mascara in the shade Cause I'm Black, and this mascara adds volume while also lifting my lashes. To line my lips, I'm using the NYX lip liner pencil in Espresso. I'm taking a lip brush to blend the lip liner out a little so it's not too harsh. So I wanted a lip color that was natural and would also complement the rest of this look, so I ended up taking a bit of that orange color corrector and patting a little on my lips to give them a flush of color. Then I took the Ulta Juice Infused Lip Oil and applied it to my lips. I love this oil because it gives a nice shine, it's hydrating, but it's not sticky. And might I add that they also come in a range of colors as well. Lastly, I'm spraying my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray to lock in all of those products. I sometimes like to press the setting spray into my skin with a sponge just to ensure that all the products are blended seamlessly. And this concludes my no foundation makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!